One thing that we can learn from the story of John the Baptist, he doesn't care of his honor and he moved the spotlight only to Jesus Christ. Remember, during the time na nag-umpisa si Jesus sa public ministry, sikat na si John the Baptist. Pero kalaunan, noong dumadating na sa point na parang nasasapawan na ni Jesus, yung ministry ni John the Baptist, mas nakikilala na si Jesus, the best attitude and character John the Baptist had is that when he is stated that he must become greater and I must become less. Mga kapatid at mga kaibigan, when we are involved in the ministry, we should always be reminded na hindi natin ito ginagawa para sa ating mga sarili, para makilala, para maging famous, para magkaroon ng honor and glory, kundi it is always about Jesus Christ. Whenever someone praises us, we should always point them to Jesus Christ. You know what? If we are doing ministry out of competition, we are not doing ministry. We are just doing secularistic, humanistic, wallastic, fantastic, lipistic ministry that does not bring glory to God.